In this video, let's talk about operations on polynomials. Pag-uusapan natin dito paano ang process ng addition, subtraction, and multiplication of polynomials. Yung division, i-discuss natin siya later on sa separate video. But for now, focus lang tayo sa add, subtract, and multiply. Para makapag-add, subtract, and multiply, meron tayong two basic formats. Meron tayong vertical and horizontal format. Mag-start tayo sa addition. Let's say we have 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x and then minus 9. Let's say mag-add tayo ng another polynomial, x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11. Ang una nating pagmamasdan dito, kailangan aligned vertically yung mga similar terms or like terms. So itong 2x cubed saka x cubed, okay yan. Ito ring 5x squared saka 6x squared, okay din yan. Like terms yan. However, itong 3x and 11, hindi yan like terms. Dapat itong 11, ka-level yan or ka-aligned yan ng negative 9. So, iusog natin yan. So, dito yan. Plus 11. Ngayon, paano yung space dito? Well, pwede mong iwanan yan. Or, kung gusto mo, pwede mo lagyan ng 0x. It does not matter. Okay? Pero mas maganda, iwanan nyo na lang. And then, mag-add na tayo. Una, 2x cubed plus x cubed. Meron tayong 1 dito. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. Copy x cubed. And then, negative 5x squared plus 6x squared. Negative 5 plus 6, that is positive 1. So, positive 1x squared or simply plus x squared. Tapos ito, bring down nyo na lang yan. Plus 3x. And then, negative 9 plus 11, that is positive 2. Itong addition natin ay nasa vertical format. Ngayon, ulitin natin yan, pero this time, horizontal format naman. So, meron tayong 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 9 and then plus x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11. Ang gagawin natin kapag horizontal format, i-rearrange nyo yan using commutative property. So, pagtatabi-tabihin ninyo yung mga like terms. Halimbawa, itong 2x cubed saka itong x cubed, like terms yan. Tapos, itong negative 5x squared saka itong plus 6x squared, dapat magkatabi rin yan. Tapos, itong negative 9 saka positive 11, pagtatabihin din natin yan. So, we have 2x cubed and then plus x cubed and then minus 5x squared plus 6x squared and then plus 3x and then minus 9 plus 11. So, ayan, naka-rearrange na. Naka-rearrange na rin to. Naka-rearrange na rin to. Ngayon, isi-simplify na lang natin. 2x cubed plus x cubed, that is 3x cubed. Tapos, negative 5x squared plus 6x squared, that's plus x squared. Copy 3x. And then negative 9 plus 11, that is positive 2. So, same lang ang ating nakuwang result. Mag-try pa tayo. Let's say we have 4x squared minus 5x plus 1. Tapos, add 3x squared minus 8x and then minus 9. Ito, okay na to. Vertically aligned na yung mga similar terms. I-evaluate na lang natin. 4x squared plus 3x squared, that would be 7x squared. Negative 5x plus negative 8x, that is negative 13x. And then 1 plus negative 9 or 1 minus 9 is negative 8. And that's it. Try natin horizontally. So, meron tayong 4x squared minus 5x plus 1 and then plus 3x squared minus 8x minus 9. So, same concept pa rin. Pagtabihin natin yung mga similar terms. Ito rin, negative 5x and minus 8x. Tapos 1 and negative 9. Therefore, we have 4x squared plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 8x plus 1 minus 9. Combine natin to. We have 7x squared. Ito rin. We have negative 13x. Tapos ito rin. 1 minus 9, that's minus 8. Same answer lang ang nakuha natin. Next, mag-try naman tayo ng subtraction. Pero yung subtraction, kamukhang-kamukha niya lang din yung addition. Wala namang pinagkaiba. Halimbawa, meron tayong 8x cubed, let's say minus x squared, minus 5x plus 1 minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x and then plus 7. Subtract natin. 8x cubed minus 3x cubed. 8 minus 3 is 5. And then negative 1x squared minus 2x squared. That is minus 3x squared. Next, negative 5x minus negative x. Negative times negative is positive, kaya magiging negative 5 plus 1 yan. So that would be negative 4. So negative 4x. And then 1 minus 7, that is negative 6. And that is the answer. Ngayon, try natin yung horizontal format. 8x cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 1. Ngayon, sa horizontal format, medyo magkakaroon lang tayo ng konting difference. Minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7. Take note, kapag negative or pag minus ang ating operation, lalagyan natin ng parenthesis yung ating sinusubtract. Okay? Kasi, i-distribute mo pa to. Maliwanag? Unlike kapag positive ito, pwede mo pa rin naman siyang lagyan ng parenthesis pero unnecessary na. Pero pag negative, kailangan. Okay? So, i-distribute natin yan. Copyain ko muna to. We have minus 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus x and then minus 7. Tapos, combine natin yung mga similar terms. Idiretso na natin. 8x cubed minus 3x cubed, that would be 5x cubed. Next, negative x squared minus 2x squared, that would be minus 3x squared. Sulat natin, minus 3x squared. Next, negative 5x plus x, that would be minus 4x. And lastly, 1 minus 7, that would be negative 6. So, parehas lang ang ating nakuwang result. Now, let us proceed to multiplication. Sa multiplication, ganun pa din. Merong vertical and horizontal format. Try natin muna yung vertical. Let's say we have negative 2y squared plus 3y minus 6 and then times y minus 2. So, similar lang din siya ng multiplication of regular numbers. What do I mean? Ganito. Start tayo kay negative 2. Multiply natin kay negative 6. That is positive 12. So, we have plus 12. Tapos ito, negative 2 times positive 3y. That is negative 6y. Tapos, negative 2 times negative 2y squared. That would be positive 4y squared. And then, y times negative 6, that's minus 6y. And then, y times 3y, that's 3y squared. So, plus 3y squared. And then y times negative 2y squared, that would be negative 2y cubed. Bring down natin yung 12. Negative 6y plus negative 6y, that would be minus 12y. Tapos, 4y squared plus 3y squared, that would be positive 7y squared. And bring down negative 2y cubed. So, ito ang ating sagot. Ngayon, ulitin natin ito gamit naman ang horizontal multiplication. So, paano ba yon? Let's say we have y minus 2 times negative 2y squared plus 3y minus 6. Sa multiplication, meron kang two basic approach. Yung una, pwede mo itong i-distribute si y muna. Ganyan. Tapos, saka ka pupunta kay negative 2. Distribute mo. Or, pwede rin na ganito. Pwede rin na i-distribute mo itong negative 2y squared dito sa ating binomial. Tapos, ito rin si positive 3y. Distribute mo rin. Tapos, ito rin si negative 6. So, it's up to you kung anong mas gusto mo. Pero try natin gawin yung una. Yung unang approach na sinabi ko, multiply natin yung y times negative 2y squared. That would be negative 2y cubed. Tapos, y times 3y, that would be plus 3y squared. And then, y times negative 6, that is minus 6y. Tapos, negative 2 times negative 2y squared, that would be positive 4y squared. And then, negative 2 times 3y, that is minus 6y. And then, negative 2 times negative 6, that is positive 12. Tapos, i-combine natin yung mga similar terms. Ito ay similar terms. Plus 3y squared, saka plus 4y squared. Also, negative 6y, saka negative 6y. So, pag pinag-combine natin yan, we have negative 2y cubed, 3y squared, plus 4y squared, that is 7y squared. Negative 6y minus 6y, that is minus 12y. And then, plus 12. Same answer lang ang nakuha natin. Let's try one more. Let us multiply x plus 3 times 3x squared and then minus 2x plus 4. This time, gawin natin yung sinabi ko kanina, yung pangalawang approach. Like 3x squared, multiply natin sa binomial. Ito rin si negative 2x. Tapos ito rin si positive 4. So pag ginawa natin yan, we have 3x squared times x plus 3. And then minus 2x times x plus 3. And then plus 4 times x plus 3. Okay? Simplify natin. 3x squared times x, that would be 3x cubed. 3x squared times 3, that would be 9x squared. Negative 2x times x, that is minus 2x squared. Negative 2x times 3, that is minus 6x. 4 times x, that is 4x. And 4 times 3, that is 12. Ngayon, combine natin yung mga like terms. Itong 9x squared minus 2x squared, like terms yan. Tapos ito ring negative 6x plus 4x. Therefore, we have 3x cubed. And then 9 minus 2, that is 7. So, plus 7x squared. Negative 6x plus 4x, that is minus 2x. And then copy plus 12. Sa opinion ko, mas madaling mag-multiply ng horizontal. So, depende yan sa inyo. Kung saan kayo mas mapapabilis, ayun ang subukan ninyo. Ayun yung gamitin ninyo. Okay? Last problem tayo. Let's multiply x minus 5 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. So dito, ang gagawin natin, pwede tayong mag-FOIL method muna dito. Okay? Hindi mo yan mapagmumultiply ng sabay-sabay kasi tatlo yan. Mapagmumultiply mo lang yan 2 binomials or 2 factors at a time. So let's say, mag-apply tayo dito ng FOIL method. Recall nyo pa yung FOIL method? Na-discuss ko na yon sa quadratic function chapter. Balikan nyo na lang. So f stands for first. We have x squared. Ito yon. Tapos x times 1, that would be plus x. And then negative 5 times x, that would be minus 5x. And negative 5 times 1, that is minus 5. Ngayon, i-combine natin yung similar terms. Positive x minus 5x. So that's 1 minus 5. We have x squared minus 4x minus 5. Tapos, imumultiply pa natin to sa x plus 3. Huwag niyong kakalimutan, may natira pa. Multiply natin yung x squared dito sa x plus 3. So, x squared times x plus 3. And then, ito naman, negative 4x times x plus 3. And then, negative 5 times x plus 3. Distribute natin. X squared times x, that would be x cubed. X squared times 3, that is 3x squared. Next, negative 4x times x, that is minus 4x squared. And negative 4x times 3, that is minus 12x. Negative 5 times x, that's minus 5x. And negative 5 times 3, that is negative 15. Mag-combine tayo ng like terms. Ito ay like terms. Tapos, ito rin ay like terms. Tuloy natin dito. We have x cubed. And then, 3x squared minus 4x squared, that is minus x squared. And then, negative 12x minus 5x, that's minus 17x. And then, copy minus 15.